on a 90-degree quick wash. I've got white towels in here with Ariel powder, lino softener, and also one of those Calgon tabs, and it's made this many suds. But to be honest, I think it is the Calgon that's done that, because Ariel doesn't make a lot of suds. I'm presuming this is the Calgon that's doing it. You're allowed to put Calgon in with clothes anyway, but I don't always do it. But best of all, do it with towels if you want to use Calgon. And it'll also clean the washer out as well at the same time. Don't forget to subscribe, I'd much appreciate it. It's an amazing wash action. BEKO does recommend you use Ariel and Lino, as you can see up there. I've left that sticker on and I'm continuing leaving that sticker on. You can hear the heat alarm, and if you hear it, you have to be careful not to touch this glass because it's extremely hot. It's like at boiling point. Don't know if you can hear that though.